Okay, another good combination is D and A. And of course, A and D. So let's start off with D and A. Standard D, standard A. Standard D, standard A. Once you're feeling good over here, give them one strum each. 4 strings on the D chord, 5 strings on the A. Okay, once you're feeling good with that, improvise a little bit in your strumming, but keep it consistent. Okay, now you can flip it around, start on the A. There we go. Standard A, standard D, standard A, standard D. When you're feeling good with this, add in your right hand. Standard A, 5 strings. D, 4 strings, back and forth. When you're feeling good with that, add a little bit of pizzazz with your right hand.